Hi everyone. Today we will discuss the question answers of lesson number 7 Khashaba Jadhav from English Bal Bharti textbook from class 3rd. So let's start it. Exercise. Question number 1. Find the answers to the following from the lesson. A. Who takes part in the Olympic Games? Answer. Sportsmen from many different countries takes part in the Olympic Games. B. What medals are given in the Olympics? Answer. Gold, silver and bronze medals are given in the Olympics. C. Where was Khashaba Jadhav born? Answer. Khashaba Jadhav was born in a village called Goleshwar in Satara district. D. What sports did he like? Answer. He liked sports such as wrestling, kabaddi, malkham, running, swimming and gymnastics. E. How many bouts did Khashaba Jadhav win at Helsinki? Answer. Khashaba Jadhav won 5 bouts at Helsinki. F. How did the people in Khashaba's village welcome him? Answer. The people in Khashaba's village honored him, welcomed him with the procession of 151 bullock carts and carried him to the home with the sound of dolls. G. Did the principal get his house back again? Answer. Yes, the principal got his house back again. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.